Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious coffee latte at home without a machine. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You'll need your favorite coffee, some milk, and any sweetener you prefer. For equipment, grab a small saucepan, a whisk, and your favorite mug. Choosing a good quality medium or dark roast coffee will really enhance your latte's flavor. Next, we'll brew the coffee base for our latte. The key here is to make it strong, as it will be diluted by the milk. You can use a French press, a mocha pot, or even instant coffee if that's what you have. Just ensure it's concentrated. We're looking for about 1/3 to 1/2 cup of this strong brew to start. Now for the fun part, frothing the milk without a fancy machine. Pour your milk into a small saucepan and heat it gently over medium-low heat until it's warm, but not boiling. Then, using a whisk, vigorously whisk the milk for 1 to 2 minutes until it becomes frothy and doubles in volume. Another easy way is to shake warm milk in a jar. Finally, let's assemble your perfect homemade latte. Pour your strong brewed coffee into your favorite mug. Then, using a spoon, hold back the foam and pour the warm milk into the coffee. Once the milk is in, spoon the lovely, thick foam on top. Feel free to add any sweeteners, syrups, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for that extra touch. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.